Welcome back. The Municipal Councillors Forum has demanded a full-time chief officer, common cadre for officers and payment of the 6 pay arrears. The forum criticized political interference in the administration of municipal councils. Forum, in association with the Mormugao Municipal Councils, held a meeting at Tourist Hall, Vasco.
Chairperson of Pedne Municipality, Dr. V. Prabhudesai, says politicians control the municipal councillors.
We have been finding that we are being treated as mosquitoes of our respective MLAs or the ministers or the chief minister.
MP Francisco Sardina expressed that MPs also share the same plight as the municipal councillors.
आम्ही MPs आमकां 2 कोटी मेळटा आमचो MP मार्क्स आम्ही सरकारा कडेन मागत आसा आमचे ते वाडूय कित्याक जाता वी वोटर्स जायते फावट लोक कितें आमचे कडेन करून मागता आनी ते फंड आमचे थंय आशिल्ले बरोबर आमी करपाक शक्य ना. Otherwise, we have to be at the mercy of the ministers. Now, आमचो सरकार जावं उपयोग हो विरोधात आसता आनी each difficulty तुमी आयज मुखार दवरलेली आसता. सो आमकां दिसता की तुमचे फंड तुमी मॅनेज करपाक जाय.
Councillor from Fonda Municipality, Radhika Naik, proposed a resolution for empowerment of municipalities and its councillors. A 3-point resolution was also passed during the meet. The resolution of the forum was placed for approval.
The government of Goa implement the common cadre for municipal officers. The Municipal Councillors Forum demands that the government of Goa ensure that each municipal council have a full-time chief officer, that the government of Goa reimburse the financial liability to the municipal councils for payment of 6 pay arrears.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Now news from sports. Karanzale United defeated Margao United to be crowned the Pioneer Trophy Hockey Champions. 8 teams participated in the 3rd annual Pioneer Trophy Hockey Tournament. The level of hockey play seen was of commendable level. The Pioneer Trophy was organized by the Pilar Fathers with the support from the Association for Control of Hockey in Goa and was played at the Valpoi Church grounds.
The Fathers of Society of Pilar take personal interest in promoting the national sport. In the first year, they managed to invite 4 teams, while in its last iteration, 6 teams participated. In this year's tournament, there were 8 participating teams from all over Goa. Most of these teams are also participating in the Men's State Hockey League. This means the amount of hockey tournaments is on the rise in the state, which is great news for the sport of hockey. In the 3rd place playoff, Bastora boys were pit against Giri Warriors. The Giri side edged past 1-0 to defeat their Bardes neighbours and secure 3rd place. In the final, Margao United and Karanzale Sporting were locked in a high-quality exhibition of hockey. The action was end-to-end, but both teams looked strong in defence and hence the score sheet at the final whistle remained 0-0, which was a just result. In the tiebreaker, it took all of 4 one-off shots from the Karanzale Sporting side to emerge victorious over a strong Margao United team. The tiebreaker score read Karanzale 9, Margao 7. The Pioneer Trophy is held in memory of late Father Bento Martins. Director of the tournament, Father Dominic Alvarez, shared his thoughts with Prudent Media after the tournament.
And I can see the national game once again reviving here in Goa. I see a dream where our own Goan hockey players will represent India. That is my dream. And I think all people concerned, especially our sports ministry, must focus on improving the infrastructure. We are doing very well, but we need an AstroTurf ground so that we can compete at the national level and bring glory to Goa.
Our reporter Uday Parab from Valpoi.
AEM AEM Warriors failed to show up in full flow for the Babu Brothers cricket tournament. The Politics team ran through the AEM side and then chased down their score in utmost ease to win the tournament. The T20 Babu Brothers cricket tournament concluded on Sunday at Fatorda.
The finals failed to live up to the excitement of the tournament so far. AEM Warriors started with things in their direction as they won the toss and chose to bat. But thereafter, the Politics bowlers proved too hot for the AEM batsmen. Balakrishna Jadeja took 3 wickets for just 18 runs, while Shailesh Miskin took 3 wickets for 22 runs. For AEM, Bharat Arkas top scored with 18 runs and Sagar Gosavi too scored 18 runs. AEM Warriors were bundled over for just 125 runs in their 20 overs. In reply, Politics was simply positive and went about chasing their target with complete gusto. Abhijit Bhandari blazed away, scoring an unbeaten 85 that included 12 boundaries and 2 sixes. Sachin Sardesai, on the other hand, gave Abhijit able support, scoring a solid 37 runs that included 4 boundaries. Politics scored 128 runs in reply to AEM Warriors 125 in just 14.3 overs. Our reporter from Fatorda, Ramesh Naik Raut.
And with this, we come to an end of this bulletin. Take care and goodbye.